Hello everyone, welcome to Spatial Odyssey, and this is going to be a series on spatial database. So in this series we will be starting from a very basic level and then move toward the advanced stuff. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So the very first thing that we will do is we will install the required software. So the software that we require is PostgreSQL. And if you don't know what is PostgreSQL, it is an object relational database management system which is used to create the databases. So to download it, let's go to the official website of the PostgreSQL or the PostgreSQL. You can pronounce as you like. And to download, we should go to the download section and paste on your operating system. Choose the operating system. For me it's Windows, and download the installer, and here you can select the version. So here are the previous older version. I would recommend to use the latest one. So when I click this, it will start downloading, but for me I have already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this one. Yeah, so to install this, let's right click and open. It could take time. So next, and this is the installation directory. Then I don't think we should change it. And these are the components that we should install, because we will be requiring the stack builder to install the PostGIS and the server. Yes, of course, the PG admin is compulsory, I guess. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Next. So this directory will be used to store our data, and here we should provide the password for the super user, and the name of the super user for us is Postgres, and just keep the password, and please do not forget this one. Next, and the port is, let's leave the port as default 5432. Yes, next, and it will install the PostgreSQL. So finally it is installed, and let's finish. So we require the stack builder to install PostGIS. And why do we need to install PostGIS? It is because PostgreSQL cannot alone handle with this spatial database. So to create the spatial database, we need PostGIS. And to install the PostGIS, it is the spatial extension. Just tick here and next. It will be installed in this directory. Next. So all the installation file has been downloaded. Next. I agree. No. So you can tick here, but we will be creating the spatial database. So let's do nothing for now. Next, and then it will install. Close and finish. So once it is installed, we can go to the search. Okay, no, so let's go so you can find the PostgreSQL and then select the pgadmin4. So what is pgadmin4? pgadmin4 is a graphical based user interface for the PostgreSQL administration. So using this GUI, we can handle all the operations. So now I hope you remember the password that you saved for your super user Postgres, and you need to enter it. No, you can do it. So now we have one database that is pre-created by our PostgreSQL, but we will be creating a new one. So to create a new database, we will right click in the database, create a database. So this can be done by using the query, but for now let's respect the graphical based user interface. So for now the database is going to be Spatial Odyssey, and the convention to name the database is to write them in a small letter and without spaces. So please follow the convention, okay? And owner is PostGIS, Postgres. Why is this here? Okay. The owner is Postgres, the super user. So this have all the rights for these database. And in definition, we need to change nothing. It's UTF-8. I don't want to change the template. The security is parameters advanced. So if you want to create a database with the query, then this is the query. But for now, let's just stick with the GUI. So the code to create the query to create the database is this, with the owner Postgres, encoding is UTF-8, and the connection limit is 0, and save. In this way, our new database is created. Let's press it. If you see the extension, there is nothing. There is something, but not the extension that we require. So we require PostGIS to work with this to create this spatial database. So again, respecting the graphical based interface, so I will show you both method, how to create extension using the query, but for now just go here and type PostGIS. So this one, select PostGIS. So the corresponding query is create extension PostGIS. So if you do not select it here, then you can come to SQL query language, and here you can write create extension PostGIS. So we'll save. So if it's not shown here, just refresh this one, and then you can find the PostGIS extension here. So when you go to the schema and the public and the functions, then you will be able to see a lot of functions that came here because of the PostGIS. We don't need to write any of this function. So these are built in the PostGIS extension, and these will be used to query to use with the spatial data. So here you can see a newly created table. So it is self-created with the PostGIS extension, and we will be writing the first query in this series. So to access the query tool, just right click in the table and then query tool. It will open the query tool. So here we'll go to query, and we will write select all. So to select all, we need asterisk from the spatial reference system. Okay, so yeah, and to run this, so you can see the play button. So when you click, it will show how much time did it take and all the reference system that are present in this table. So if you don't know what this is, please let me know, because this is a huge topic regarding the coordinate system, the reference system, the projection, and everything, and this can be included in this series. So for now, I think this is all for the first video. So see you on the next one. Thank you.